Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily increase the font size of our editor on Spyder IDE. So right now you can see it's really small, it's hard to read. You can easily increase the font by going to the tools, tool setting. You can also use the Control Alt Shift plus P key. Click on preferences. On clicking guys, you can see the preferences section is visible. Click on appearance. Now herein you can see under fonts, you can change the font also. With that you can change the size. Let's say I'll go for 15 here, and for rich text I'll go for 13 and I'll click on apply. Let's see what will happen. Now click on OK. Herein you can see the font size for the editor window as well as the output window has been changed. The size of both of them has been increased now. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the font of the editor as well as the output window on Spyder IDE. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.